Welcome to our in-depth comparison review of TP-Link's Archer 8 and Archer AC1900 routers. Let's delve into their key specifications. 1. Wireless. Both routers operate on Wi-Fi 5 standards, providing AC1900 speeds with 1300 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 600 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. They feature multiple high-performance antennas and utilize beamforming technology to enhance signal coverage and improve connectivity in medium-sized homes. 2. Security. Archer 8 and Archer AC1900 routers offer robust network security features, including SPI firewall access control and IPA mimic binding. They also provide guest networks for added security and support various encryption protocols such as WPA, WPAT2, and WAT-WU, Archer AC1900 only, to safeguard your network. 3. Hardware. Both routers are equipped with a 1.2 GHz EQ and offer gigabit WAN and LAN ports for high-speed wired connections. They come with standard buttons for easy setup and management, including Wi-Fi power on, off, and reset buttons. 4. Software. In terms of software features, both routers support essential protocols like IPv4 and IPv6 and offer comprehensive parental controls, quality of service settings, and cloud services for firmware upgrades and dynamic DEN support. Additionally, the Archer AC1900 router introduces Easy Mesh technology, enabling seamless mesh networking to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones and provide stable roaming across your home. In summary, while both routers deliver similar wireless performance, the Archer AC1900 stands out with its support for WPA3 encryption and Easy Mesh technology, making it a compelling choice for users seeking advanced security and mesh networking capabilities. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.